How to make Starry Night Perfume. The natural, relaxing fragrance recipe. Natural perfumes are a perfect choice for those looking for alternatives free from chemical ingredients, offering a healthier option. If you want to make your own homemade perfume, the Starry Night Perfume is an excellent choice. It offers both soothing effects and a captivating fragrance, inviting you to a magical olfactory experience. The natural oils you use for this perfume, such as chamomile oil, lavender essence, and valerian root oil, will not only make your perfume smell beautiful, but also improve your sleep quality, reduce stress, and provide a relaxing experience. By using natural ingredients, this perfume helps you stay free from chemicals and protects your skin while supporting a lifestyle in harmony with nature. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons vodka or ethyl alcohol, 10 drops of chamomile oil, 5 drops of lavender essence, 10 total drops of valerian root oil, 2 cups of distilled water. Instructions: 1. Place the ethyl alcohol and oils in a dark-colored bottle. Shake the bottle thoroughly to mix the oils together. 3. Let the bottle sit in a cool place for 12–15 hours. Shake occasionally. By following these simple steps, you can create your own unique perfume and enjoy the process of making natural perfume. Your captivating perfume will not only provide impressive scents, but also uplift your mood with its soothing effects throughout the day. Chamomile oil and lavender essence will calm your body, while valerian root oil creates a natural, relaxing effect. This natural perfume, made with completely natural ingredients, is an ideal option for those looking to stand out in the perfume world, while being gentle on your skin. Additionally, the natural essences used in your perfume allow you to stay connected to natural living every time you wear it. Benefits of Starry Night Perfume. Free from chemical ingredients, offering a safe, natural perfume experience. Soothing perfume effect that reduces stress and anxiety. Helps improve sleep quality. Impressive scents that capture attention. A unique perfume recipe that makes you feel special and one of a kind.